InifinityFree offers free hosting and supports custom domains via parked or add-on domains. No transfer needed, just point DNS. Requires a registered domain from providers like Namecheap or GoDaddy, $10 per year. 1. Add domain to InifinityFree account. Log into panel, infinityfree.com, domains, left menu, create account, if new, or manage account. Under add-on domains or parked domains. Parked, for root domain, example.com, pointing to the same site. Add-on, for subdomains, shop, example.com, with a folder. Enter your domain, save. InifinityFree verifies, 24 hours. 2. Update DNS at your registrar log into your domain provider, DNS settings. Change name servers to InifinityFree's, ns1 infinityfree.com, ns2 infinityfree.com. Easiest, full control to InifinityFree. Or manual records, keep your name servers. A record, AVE 185 271 10 IPv4. A record, 2A00 6B40 011 IPv6. CNAME, yourdomain.com, save changes, propagates 148 hours. 3. Verify and set up. In InifinityFree, check domains. Status turns green. Upload files to htdocs via File Manager or FTP. For SSL, enable free Let's Encrypt in SSL bar TLS tab. Auto renews.